Yo, today in this video I'm going to be talking about the art of not taking a trade and why it's better to, not risk it. But starting just like with a bias, I was neutral today. I was pointing bearish more than bullish because of the fact that we made this hourly gap and we closed below, right? We inverted it, hourly inversion. But before taking shorts, I wanted to see a sweep of London's high. We had London's high right here, and then we had London's low right here. I said I'd be bearish if we take this out. So say if this wick took this out, I would try and call short to London's low. Same way if we took London's low first, I'd try and catch longs here, right? And then also for longs, we had this hourly gap. But you see, we ended up coming higher. I don't think we formed an SMT here. We just took out buy side, minor buy side, right? We left this. We kind of formed LRR. And then from there, nothing really happened. We actually got a really good momentum candle down, but this next candle kind of stopped the momentum, which made me feel like this would fail. I wouldn't have taken it either way, but if we did see this play out, one candle inversion, then I can anticipate that to run lower, and it obviously did. If I did take it, my stop would have been at the body in live time, and this actually ended up working, right? Ended up being break even. Break even's right here. Well, actually, break even was probably going to be here, then yeah, break even. Did end up going lower. Left obviously these kind of relative equal highs now, so that was going to be a target for me. I was bullish. Took out London low, back in the hourly gap, and from there we just continued grinding down with no real retracement. We did get this here, right, but I don't like to measure fib from this leg. I'd want to use this whole leg. We ended up missing 0.5. We did tap into the 15 minute and that sent us lower, which was correct, right? Keep in mind we also inversed. We closed below this hourly, so I was bearish, right? That's what I wanted to see, some move up and then go lower. I did not think we were going to reverse, right, despite these. This would be a good target for tomorrow, I'm not going to lie, but yeah, so 15 minute gets tapped. I'm looking for shorts. There was multiple trades throughout the day that just like failed. I mean, this one here, this 3 minute failed, this short failed. So yeah, a lot of people took this short and then reversed their position into a long after that, got invalidated, and then that lost as well. And I think Dodgy's down 40 grand today. A lot of people that I follow that a lot of people won't even know have got destroyed today. So this is kind of like the art of not taking a trade, or like the art of how to avoid a loss, I feel like. Because I feel like that's what it should be like. Today didn't take a trade because the draws didn't get taken. It's literally as simple as that. There was no short to take because this London high didn't get hit. And the long, I didn't like because we were super grinding down. Yeah, we got an inversion, but you got to think we've displaced heavily above multiple high time frame, fair value gaps and lows and all of that to the left. Let's just wait for something really strong, right? Instead of like taking this 3 minute inversion once while we're inside this 5 minute. And like, yeah, we might have momentum here, but that 5 minute, as you can see, this gap just instantly sent us down. So it's not worth trying to risk and take a trade there. Right, let's just be patient and wait, because that's what trading is, just being patient. Also, this 2 minute short to the downside, didn't like this at all because we didn't fill at the time. Actually had a 30 minute gap unfilled, right? We needed to fill that, and we didn't even rebalance to 0.5 of the range, or 0.62, right? I would have waited for 0.62 for an A plus entry. But this is just like, I don't really see how people lost today. I mean, also I do, but you should not be trying to take trades when like a short, when we don't take the obvious draw above, and you shouldn't take a long when we just displace below the draw below. It's just simple as that. And that's the art of not taking a trade, and that's why so many people fail, because over time they get impatient, and if they haven't traded all week, they feel the need to do that. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of make this video kind of like a recap of today as well, just to kind of explain everything on why you shouldn't have lost the day, to be honest. I mean, if you did, fair enough. Some people just have a better edge. My edge isn't the best in the market right now. I'm kind of losing a bit of confidence. But if you're confident in the play working and you get off after one loss and you have good risk management, that's all that matters at the end of the day. yeah, I kind of just wanted to post something because I didn't take a trade today, I didn't win or lose, so it's really nothing to post about. But yeah, that's it.